Dark Picture Productions, Skylark, Native Reserves, Nottinghamshire. In a minute I'm going to go across the road, I'll show you guys in a minute. Quite good actually. That's where I am. Just need to cross the road, man. I think is it that bit, you know, and just cross this bit here. Bit bright, don't know if you can see it. I've been, oh, they've got nettled. So, normally I cover this bit first, but I just thought I'd just walk through. I think I'll cover this bit anyway. Not too sure, but hey ho. No, down here it's quite peaceful. It is. No, when stupid people don't put their dog on their lead. and that's anything. And that time I came in, and then got yummed by a dog. Then earlier, I seen a group of dogs for my good, so I had to hide. You know, just I don't do dogs either. I don't do dogs at all. Yeah, hopefully I see some of these wildlife. Quite good. And that's where I want to go down this bit here. Of course I'm going to explore everything, you know. And just follow the long footpath. Well, I'll show you guys when I'm walking along anyway. When I see new things. I've done all this bit anyway. So, for now guys, I might go in a far corner actually. I've been seeing them like brown fences. Let's see them in a bit. Them brown fences over there. There's a path going along there. So I haven't been across there yet. So I'm gonna see what's up there. In the far corner, what I just showed you, came across this. Was came through the gate just up there. Yeah, but Black Cat Country Club. And never been down this bit. Cool. And check the old tunnel where the water goes. This little bridge don't feel safe. Don't know what's down there. There's a lake down there. Oh, wonder where that goes. Oh, that'd be sick to explore. I don't know if you can see for the water is it. Oh, that's sick. And when how deep it is and whatever. I don't think it's even that deep. I don't think. I think I can see he's got a top, I think. Cool. I'm going to take some shots anyway. And there's a gap underneath where you can swim a bit. Yeah. So you actually can fit through. So I think I might go on that side to get have a closer look. Because there's a path there anyway, swimming again. Yeah, so basically I can walk in the path. But I'm not gonna, I won't be crawling underneath it today, but you know, I haven't got the right gear one. Down there. And it depends how deep it is, and probably smells. Kind of smells anyway. It probably do with something with the sewage. Climb back up. You can crawl on your side, so far on your side to get underneath anyway. That's what I would do anyway. But I've got big suits though, waterproof suits, what people wear. So I'll need one day. And then I'll definitely go under. Big lake. Yeah, I haven't been on this side yet. Very good. Can you even get through that side? Probably could, but I don't think I am. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to follow this path and see where it takes me. I'm assuming it just goes all the way around. I'm assuming I am. So yeah. I'm glad I came this way. I never even thought that this bit existed, but it does. Well, I saw cover everything today. I know that. And the main thing I want to do is follow this long path. I'll show you guys anyway. So all about me, Mother Nature. And just I don't see any dogs off the D today. That's why I'm gonna kick it in his head. Same lake, but at a different angle. It is. Just came here, and because that long path I came, basically it goes round, and I came from down that direction because there was a junction, so I came round, and basically I think I'm going down this way now anyway. I think the whole thing just goes round, and basically that's it. Not too sure, well that's what I'm thinking anyway. So yeah, but there's a other fence where I can see, and there's like a private fishing area what I had a little look at, but nothing much there anyway. So yeah, it just goes around, I think. Yeah. Yeah, and the thing is actually quite big actually. I thought it was actually going to be smaller than that. Because when I first came here and went through the main entrance, it seemed like the lake wasn't that big. But as it is. And this is the junction where I came, you know. Look, I came from this way, and basically I went down that way. Well, I went through that way, so it must be a other way around because I seen a lad, I don't know he came through this way, but probably have to walk round now, go back round. Probably there is a other way, but I think I'm just going to follow the path. Because if I start messing about, like I normally do, going through woody area and following this path, that path where I'm not meant to be, or end up somewhere different. Yeah, this is private members only. Well, I took from photos in there anyway. I said that the video. It's not where I am. I think people are actually in there for 90, but who cares? Just thought to show you guys. I got some shots off this when I first passed it. Oh yeah. Quite good, isn't it? Oh, I know, I can smell big poo-poo. Smells, man. Oh. No, let's go now. Too overpowered. Oh. So yeah, gonna go back where I started. But you know, I think of when I come back down these sides, because I will anyway. I think I'm actually going to try go through the woods. I know you can go see the leaf from there, and it does see what's in there really. But I'm not going to bother today though. Quite, you know, I can't be bothered, but I think next time I come, I got like more time, you know. So I don't really like rushing like that. Oh, I got plenty of time, you know what I'm saying, but I'll have this coffee like proper. I do. Well, I think, oh, you know, I need to go to this place, that place, and whatever. I just can take my time and think. I think it'll be quite good actually. Exploring each wooded area. And because the fence is not that big anyway. You know what I'm saying? And it's like a little drop. I think it's a drop, or I can't really tell from you. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if you can go all the way around, or I don't know. But I know at some point I will come back over the fence. I know that. So I might just have to do that one day. Just to, you know, explore the inside the woods. I don't think I don't think you meant to, but make it no man. Ask for whatever. So I think that's my next mission. I know there's on the other side. They got wood area, so I'll go through there and then because you got path anyway. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think next time. Yep, small big flat man. Cheers, man. What I'm gonna do one day, I know, follow this footpath. I don't know where it leads to or whatever. A little building, electric building there. Got to see what's down here. Don't even know. Oh, is it that road what goes all the way around? Probably. I might have a team down here still. Not too sure. I saw I've been on that way before. They got wooded area. Come on, let's see what's down here. Well, I've been nice, you know. Have a quick look. Alright, and see if that so that little tunnel comes through down here. Have a look at the end of it. Big tree falling there. Might say that come down the forest path one day. There's that big, where's that tunnel? Have a look. I think I can come through this way, I don't know. No, that's not. I'll getting stuck. I just don't go down there, but what new? Oh, that's the back of that tunnel. Nothing really. I don't think you can actually get through anyway. Because there's something in there. And probably do with like probably flooding or sewage. But I think one time I'll just follow this down, follow the path down and see where it takes me. It must be like a little pumping station thing, I believe. Or something to do with the water. You got this thing here. And I think the other one further up. Yeah. Well, that's following where I need to go now. Getting distracted. And I might have to go down there, see what's popping down there. I'm glad that I came down this way anyway. Oh, big cobwebs. Jeez. Yeah. What a nice beautiful day and all. Yeah, I wasn't even meant to come down here today. I thought I was going to go up like Cross tunnel or what was this? Grassmore, that's in Chesterfield. Right, and I didn't go back in Chesterfield anyway. I do. And because there's a tunnel, well actually you got a Cross tunnel and what other tunnel? Well basically it's in Chesterfield anyway. And that's what I know. So I know where about it is. I just actually go there one day. I'm sure I came further than the nothing though. So yeah, I have. I might go through there. Too busy yapping. So is that way? Yeah, it is. So yeah. So I think probably turn the. So I think something inside kind of wonky, right? You know. So I think probably it might be next week now. Yeah, I'll go up Chesterfield. Somewhere like that. Don't know what day, but I'll definitely go up there anyway. I will. I have to take my bed in audio, man. Hot, man. It's not me to be hot. I don't even like taking my audio. But I still got my scarf on, you know. I'm not taking it off. I'll be too bare. Oh my god. See the person got dug off the lead. don't think it's I don't think it's a bad dog and kicking his head, no. I don't know how that's saying that, you know. I kick the dog in his head. Yeah, I don't think I'll be going out tomorrow. I've got a wedding to go on Saturday, so see what I can do next week. See what the plans are. So yeah, I'm at where I came from. So yeah, and so here you guys, I am. Here we are, guys. Yeah, this is where I came when I came the first time. That's a lake, what you could see at the other end. And this path going to follow it up. There's a footpath somewhere up there, what turns left, and going down that way. Then after, well, before then, or before anything, I'm gonna go down that way. Then I think there's a other footpath just up that way. But I'm sure that if I go down that way, it will bring me out that way or somewhere. Then I'm going to follow this, after follow this through that wood area and that wood over there, I'm going to follow this footpath out all the way up to see where it takes me. That's my plan. But you know, of course I'll film and take some pictures like I normally do, and show you where I am. So yeah, let's start walking up here. Going to go straight on. Oh, black rabbits. Oh, too late. By the time I get my damn. Well, I've got my long lens on. Yeah, but next time I come up here, I'm gonna make sure that I bring my long lens up. I am. Anyway, going to take some shots anyway. Just find this footpath, see where it leads to. I think I know where it leads to, because a while back when I came here, I kind of covered and all this out is wooded area, and I kind of went. Well, this time, according to further way back, kind of covered. And when I came through that gate, and told you I was finding out the long footpath, and I turned right. Basically, I went up and kind of covered that area. And I thought I'd just come back down this way. We got trails what leads into the woods. And for that time there was like a den in the wooded area. What's that there? No, it's nothing. No. I thought it's a deer. I think it's just a tree. A log. I thought a deer was lying down. Or it's just a log. Yeah, and this is one too. Yeah, I thought that log little thing, you know, was a deer. And because next time I'm gonna actually walk through these trees. And because this path, I'm sure this path leads into like a big field, if I'm right. And then if I'm right, then yeah, I actually been that way. But I haven't been through this path though yet. So yeah. When I'm walking through the overpass, I see someone camping. I thought, tell them. And I thought, that's what I might do, you know. Bring a tent on you. Camp out. Find a nice spot. Yeah, I saw it this way where I've been before. Through that other edge, it should be like a big open field. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. Nope. Well, I know that I haven't. Yeah. Well, I think next time or whatever. Of course, the path goes on for. So that's my next plan. So I think I'll turn back around and do my plan what I was going to do in the first place. See what's down here? I haven't been down this way yet anyway. Just a gate. Ooh, what's down here? Let's see what's up here. I thought it would be something more interesting than this, but maybe I could go through the wooded area. Yeah. You know, I will go through, but don't want to disrupt the wildlife. Yeah, let's carry on. What I'm going to do now is follow the path now. All I know it is up near Rushcliffe and Sour. So yeah, I'll cover the move off this bit anyway now. So I'm going to walk in one straight line. I am. This path here, that's where I came from, down there, and I'm going to go up there. I am. I've been down this footpath down here. It takes you the lake. Yeah. And of course, I'll show you anyway. And of course, I was on the other side anyway. I was. Dried up lake. Yeah, because basically I was on the other side of there anyway. We had to walk back around, where you went in a circle, that footpath. Yeah. Basically, take a picture of a lake anyway, so yeah. Yeah, point just going up there where I've been and just going to follow this path, see where it takes me. You know, yeah, I love to go through, you know. That'd be so cool. Yeah. So I won't be doing much videoing on this part. So, but wherever I end up, I'll take a video. Well, the woodland gathering. Might have to go through this too. You know, I came to the end of the path. So I motorway. So I don't think I'll be crossing the motorway, will I? You know what? I got to see. Oh, Rushcliffe. Oh, well, I can't even fit. Yeah, I can. It didn't realize Rushcliffe. Oh, it's a path. I'm sure this is like near like we have now. Of course that way is towards Rushcliffe, isn't it? And of course Rushcliffe, or it's all that way. I'm going to see what's down this bridge here. Then I might do, and I might just walk up there to see what's up there. And when I was walking through that footpath, I found a little trail. To say lake. I did, but I don't think I'm going to. Well, I might go for it on the way back. But I'm not intrigued with what's up here now. So yeah. I think that's the end of the tour. But I'll show you the other trail later on at some point. So I think today that's it for me. Dob Dilson's signing out. Ciao for now.